Hi, I'm Kyle, the owner of Reside, and we're here at a window installation in beautiful Woodbury, Minnesota. I'm actually here with Cam Hager, our local manufacturer's rep from Pella Northland, and we're going to talk a little bit about the window install that we're doing today. We're going to talk a little bit about Pella windows. Cam, thanks for joining us today.
Yeah, absolutely. Happy to be here.
Absolutely. So how long have you been with Pella for?
I've actually just hit 7 years at Pella. Yeah, it doesn't feel that long, but
Yeah, that's
7 years.
awesome. So what do you like about Pella as a company?
I love that it kind of brings a small community feel, but it also has like a big corporation behind it. So you kind of get that small feel business, but big corporation to kind of help support speed of windows and quality.
Yeah, that's what I've noticed with Pella is that even though it's a big company, it has that family and community feel to it.
Yeah,
Having been to Pella a couple times, great people, they work hard, they build great products.
absolutely.
So, Cam, on this project right now, you can see our installers back there. We're installing the Pella Lifestyle Dual Pane product, and great window. It's what most of our customers end up going with. What are some of the things? I think these windows were about 30, 35 years old in this house that we were replacing. What are some of the things that this homeowner is going to notice, maybe the top four things, with the new windows in their house?
Yeah, that's a great question. We get that question every time homeowners are like, do we really need to update windows? I think four of the biggest things would be one, glass pack. The glass manufacturers have come a long way with efficiencies. We have multiple glass packs that you guys can pick from, anywhere from soundproofing glass to comfort glass to triple pane. And then you obviously get new aesthetics, a lot cleaner. A lot of old windows have like wood rot, paint flaking, stuff like that. So obviously a new cleaner look in the aesthetics. You'll also get better operation out of them. If windows hit 30 years, that's a pretty good life expectancy of a window. So a lot of times those roto arms are kind of giving out. Again, with wood rot, it's kind of falling off of the sash. So you'll have a lot better operation.
Great.
There's quite a few things that'll upgrade with new windows.
Yeah, those are great points. I mean, some of the things that our customers really comment to us after we put new windows in their house is they say, my home's quieter, right? And that's a function of not only the window itself, but the installation is usually improved over what they did, 20, 30 years ago. My house looks nicer, and that's just because the windows are so beautiful. And then the home's just more comfortable to live in. The windows are more energy efficient. There's less UV light coming in the house, fading their artwork,
Yep.
damaging furniture, and UV light's not great for your skin either. So it's just an overall healthier environment to be in. So
Absolutely.
those are great points.